So Fergus, back in 2017, when the idea of transforming construction first came about, what was the drive for it?
The drive was primarily that the construction industry, despite accounting for about 9% of all economic activity and employment in the UK, remains very unproductive, very dependent on labour, and is consistently failing to deliver the homes and buildings that people and firms in the UK need.
Now, the funding spawned the Active Building Centre. What was your hope for the ABC when it first came into fruition?
Well, we were aware of a lot of the work that had been done in Swansea to develop energy positive buildings, and given the need to decarbonise energy supply in the UK as one of the most fundamental parts of our wider strategy for achieving net zero carbon by 2050, we spotted the potential early on of turning buildings from enormous consumers of energy to generators of energy. And actually, through doing that, particularly if the energy is clean, they're able to make an enormous contribution to the future energy needs of the UK.
How important is ABC and the work of us and partners to the UK's ambition for net zero by 2050?
It's really important. One of the biggest challenges we face is how we decarbonise the built environment. Around about 30% of all energy consumed in the UK is through either buildings or the construction supply chain. So we need to find ways of removing that as an energy demand if we are going to be net zero carbon by 2050. And that means we need better and cleaner ways of generating heat and electricity, powering buildings and providing the people who live and work with them with the energy that they need.
What's your hopes for the future?
Where we see it over the next few years is that we want to see the UK construction sector being more productive, more profitable, more sustainable, creating less waste and producing infrastructure and buildings of consistently higher quality and which are much safer for people to live and work in.
Now, the UK construction industry, as we've all said, is lags behind. Will it change on its own?
The UK construction industry has continued to change and evolve. It's just at too slow a pace. And the original ambition of the Transforming Construction Challenge, including investment in the ABC, was to accelerate the pace of change. And that is what we need to continue to do over the course of the next decade. It's investing in technologies in partnership with the industry that can be used to improve every aspect of its operations, and then also the buildings and the infrastructure that are produced, and to optimise the operation of those as well.